There's some bad news for old Redmi phone users, though not all of you, some of you. So let's have a look at this news. Xiaomi has stated that MIUI beta for older Redmi phones will be stopped to ensure better stability. The list of Redmi phones included are Redmi 3S or Prime, Redmi Pro, Redmi 4 Prime, Redmi 4A, Redmi 4, Redmi Note 4 and Redmi Note 3. Of the list, these Redmi Note 3 and the Redmi Note 4 with MediaTek chipset will not receive MIUI updates from Xiaomi. In India, Xiaomi sells the Snapdragon chipset powered Redmi Note 4 and Note 3. These smartphones are safe for now. Well, what about the regular stable upgrades? Well, there is no news from Xiaomi on that. I have reached out to Xiaomi and to comment whether these devices will get further updates like the MIUI 11 that are stable builds or not. So do subscribe to my channel so that I will make another video on it whether or not you will be getting that upgrade. So that's pretty much it for this video, but those of you who are still on beta should install the stable build because, well, beta development has stopped. But do note that installing the full MIUI stable build will wipe all your data. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.